Graph on a plane, y is less than -2. Let's start by graphing the line y equals -2, and we'll graph it as a dashed line because we have the inequality symbol less than, not less than or equal to. So the line y equals -2 is a horizontal line going through the y-axis at -2, and we'll graph that using a dashed line to show that that's not part of the solution set. Now we need to shade the graph either above or below that line. We could try a test point, but let's just think about what we have. We're looking for ordered pairs for which the y value is less than -2. Well, that's going to be ordered pairs below this line where the y value is less than -2. So we really can just shade in the half plane below the line, and that would be the graph of that inequality.